If you're interested in learning Moroccan Arabic, Darija, stay till the end of this video and we'll introduce you to Najma at Easy Progress Maroc. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Teresa and Lokman. So today I'm here with Najma from Easy Progress Maroc School. So Najma, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Najma. I am a coach of Arabic, Darija, and Arabic Classic, and Easy Progress Maroc School. And Easy Progress Maroc School is based in Casablanca. We have a center there. And also we give online session and Zoom Cloud meeting, which is the same application that we use today together.
Yeah, we're on Zoom right now. It's super easy. So anybody can take classes, right? If they're in Morocco or if they're around the world, correct?
Yes, exactly. If they prepare face-to-face, they can visit us in our center that exists in Casablanca.
And we'll make sure to get all the information in the description below. So as you're watching, don't forget to check out the description. We have an affiliate link, all sorts of info about Easy Progress Maroc. But tell us, so do you just teach Moroccan Arabic or also Foosha Standard Arabic?
Yeah, Foosha Standard Arabic also. Darija, Moroccan Darija. We give culture courses, like how to cook Moroccan food, etc., etc. And we have eBooks. If someone interested in learning Darija by himself in the house, we have books with the secrets of Darija. So in Amazon also, in our website. So just choose the website that you like.
Yeah, you have all the goods. What do you offer? So do they take just 1 hour class, or can they take many hours a week, or do you have packages? What type of classes do you offer?
We have a specific program, and to make that program benefits, we choose to give like monthly classes, and the client can or the participants, because the students we call it participants in our program, so he can choose depend on his ability. So 4 hours per week, 10 hours per week, 50 hours per week, or 20 hours per week, depend on her ability.
Great, yeah, wonderful. And what makes Easy Progress Maroc different from other schools, other Arabic schools?
We believe that it's our program. We use a method we call it GPA, which is Grow and Participate approach. It's very useful, and it's divided in 6 phases. And the first phase, we guarantee that the participant will make sentences by himself without feeling that it's difficult, because we have like 3 books we work with in phase 1. So in phase 1 we have graphics, which is a book with vocabulary, the most useful, the most used. Also in this book there is verbs, pronouns, etc., etc. And we have a second book, we call it graphics. It's for the conversation, the daily conversation, that it's necessary for anyone visit Morocco. And the third one is for writing, pronunciation, and reading. So like this, we can like touch every necessary thing to learn Darija. Kushi.
Nisha. Yeah, great. And one thing that I really love about Easy Progress Maroc is the whole session is in Arabic. It's in Darija. So you're getting assimilated, you're hearing it constantly, and you're really having to process and learn. So yeah, wonderful, great. So like I said before, we have an affiliate link below. So if you're interested in taking a class with Najma or any of her staff at Easy Progress Maroc, feel free to click on the link below, check out the details. We'll make sure we get everything that we've mentioned here, the website, maybe some links to some of her books online. But yeah, is there anything else you'd like to add, Najma?
Yeah, thanks for mentioning that we didn't teach the language by translation, because it's against our method. So GPA, it's a method that consists in learning the language as you learn your mother language.
Yeah.
Or your mother language.
Yep.
So if you remember, when you were a kid, you didn't translate to learn your language. So we use the same method, but we use other method to make it easier and to do it faster. So we have like flashcards to memorize. We have toys to touch things. If you do the session online, we have PowerPoint games to take things, to touch things. So it's interactive, and you can like train your ears in Arabic and train your tongue and pronunciation at the same time.
Yeah, and thank you so much. I've been taking classes with you, Najma, now for I think in total a couple weeks, but it's been fantastic, and I've definitely benefited. And I have my headphones, I'm listening to my vocab and my conjugations when I'm walking down the street and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, it was so lovely to have you. And
you're welcome. I'm really happy that you have this opinion about our school, and because of that, we save the session for the participants. That will help them to make the practice in the house. So we have two, one for the course and the second one for practicing. I am happy that it's
beautiful.
Useful.
Yeah, it really is. So I highly recommend her and her school, Easy Progress Maroc, to anybody looking to learn Moroccan Arabic Darija or Standard Arabic Foosha. So شكرا بزاف أختي.
الله يبارك فيك. شكرا لكم كاملين.
شكرا. بسلامة.
بسلامة.
And if you want to hear Teresa speaking Moroccan Arabic, check out the link above and the description for some links below. Also, stay tuned for a video from us explaining how Teresa learned the foundations of Moroccan Darija from Lokman.